São Luís, São Marcos Bay, north of Brazil. It is on such a strategic location for commercial interchange for the world market that Itaqui Port is located, that Itaqui Port is situated. EMAP, Maranhense Port Administration Company, is in charge of the Itaqui Port Complex Administration, a public port dealing with around 100 million tons of cargo a year. Activity is intense. Workers endeavor to perform their duties and daily witness the circulation of petrol, aluminum products, manganese, copper, pig iron, soy, wheat, and a variety of general cargo and containers. Itaqui Port is the natural outlet for the center-north exporting vector, including the states of Maranhão, Piauí, south of Pará, Tocantins, Goiás, Mato Grosso, and part of Bahia. Access channel to Itaqui Port, the only one in the world with 1,800 meter wide and reaches up to 38 meters deep. Arrival is facilitated by signaling. Itaqui Complex has large sheltered anchoring areas and calm evolution basing. Protected against winds and currents, it also detains a large plain rear area. Panama Canal amplification, with access to large freighters, will enhance commerce in North Atlantic and will privilege even more Itaqui Port, promoting an approximation with the Asian continent, which nurtures competitivity in relation to other Brazilian ports. Storage is performed in a criterious fashion. Silos, patios, warehouses are part of the infrastructure and guarantee security for all kinds of cargo. Itaqui has 7 mooring sites with dynamic management. It invests in building 2 new mooring sites and in a 72,000 square meter rear area to supply demands from great projects and the establishment of Tigrão, Maranhão Grain Terminal, which will have a capacity for 13 million tons of grain by 2013. The management model adopted at Itaqui Port, based on a strategic modeling for businesses, aggregates more competitivity to your enterprises, connecting Maranhão and the world. The serious work. It develops activities based on social responsibility and is committed to preserving the environment. In an assessment performed by ANTAC, National Agency for Water Transport, in 30 public ports, Itaqui has been positioned among the 6th with best environmental management. Port area also counts with an environmental defense center managed by Petrobras, equipped with high technology for preventing and fighting incidents, with a 24-hour attending brigade. With state management in 2001, Maranhense Port Administration Company, EMAP, has been put in charge of Port Authority and has imprinted more efficiency to Itaqui Port Complex operation. EMAP staff receives continuous capacitation and training. It has the ISPS code certificate and is about to receive the ISO 9001-2000 certification. Among the areas attracting investment, we highlight the logistics sector, solid and liquid granary storage, port operation, refrigerated containers, and input supplying for different productive chains. With the title of second largest port complex in the country, it has great economic groups such as Petrobras, Alumar, and Vale as its clients. Largest petrol products emporium in the north and northeast, Itaqui Port is also the greatest diesel importer in the country. with a capacity to harbor the sea giants due to its deep waters with up to 20 meters in the mooring area. Itaqui Complex is prepared to become one of the main ethanol and biofuels exporter in Brazil. As thermoelectrical plants are installed in São Luís, Itaqui starts to harbor vessels with great mineral coal cargoes to supply market demands. The port complex in Maranhão invests on infrastructure to welcome tourists who are hosted with hospitality and see a little of the state cultural diversity. EMAP invests on market expansion programs and on administrative modernization. Itaqui Port offers perfect logistics for those who export or import products. Maranhense Port Administration Company, Itaqui Port, Maranhão State Government.